Hello friends, welcome to Biochem. Now today I am going to teach you ozonolysis or addition of ozone to the hydrocarbon which having multiple bonds. So guys, please subscribe my channel. This is my request. Okay, now let's start. Ozonolysis. So what do you mean by the ozonolysis at first? Suppose if your reactant is the unsaturated hydrocarbon means alkene. So when the alkene is treated with the ozone O3 in presence of the inert solvent like the ether or carbon tetrachloride. Okay, ether or carbon tetrachloride to give the product is what ozonide is formed at first, and then that ozonide further treated with warm with the zinc metal in presence of water, so it decomposed to give the two carbonyl compound or hydrogen peroxide. So two carbonyl compounds that may be aldehyde, that may be ketone, or that may be the mixture of aldehyde or ketones. Okay, this way you can define. So what do you mean by the ozonolysis? So in case of the alkene, in case of the alkyne means the hydrocarbon having multiple bond, either double bond or triple bond. This type of reaction takes place with the ozone. Okay, so in case of the alkene, at first we have to write the general formula, this C double bond C ozone. Okay, this is the alkene. This is the ozone in presence of what? Ether. We get the ozonide is formed here. So this type of here compound ozonide is formed like this. Here, this is the ozonide. This ozonide further treated zinc metal and water here heating. So Y-shape cleavage here takes place. Okay, Y-shape cleavage takes place. So we get the two molecules of carbonyl and plus hydrogen peroxide. So these two molecules of carbonyl compounds. Okay, and this is the hydrogen peroxide. Now, for example, here the alkene is the ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Okay, then O3 ozone. Now ether. We get the ozonide. So what ozonide? What structure? This type of structure we get here, the hydrogen. Here hydrogen and oxygen. This. So here Y-shape cleavage takes place, decompose. Here the zinc metal and the water giving what? HC double bond O. Yes. Again HC double bond O. Yes. Plus hydrogen peroxide. This is the methanol. Again methanol. Two molecules of aldehyde. Methanol means formaldehyde or formaldehyde. Two molecules of the aldehyde is obtained and hydrogen peroxide. This is one of the condition if the alkene, okay, aldehyde can be obtained. Carbonyl compound, sometime only aldehyde, sometime only ketone, or sometime mixture of aldehyde and ketone. Okay, now in the next example. Okay, now if the alkene is propene, CH3 CH double bond CH2, then ozone, here the propene. Now if carbon tetrachloride can be used, then here the ozonide is what? CH3 C H. Yes, this type of ozonide is formed. Ozonide, and here the zinc metal and water on heating. Again here Y-shape cleavage takes place. So Y-shape here cleavage takes place, one of the product is the CH3C double bond OH, and another product, this is the what? Ethanol. Other product is the HC double bond OH and plus S2O2. This is the methanol. Again here, propene react with the ozone, giving the aldehyde only. First is the one component is the ethanol, another is the methanol. Means two different aldehyde, but only aldehyde can be obtained. Okay. Now in the next example, we get the different product. Okay. Now if your alkene is CH3C, CH3 double bond CH2. Okay. 2-methyl propene. So react with the ozone in presence of ether. Ozonoid is formed. So at first here CH3 ozone, this C ozone. Now here the hydrogen Zn plus water on heating. Again Y shape, here cleavage takes place. So one product is the CH3O, other is the SC double bond OH plus hydrogen peroxide. This is the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde means methanol. This is the propanone. Means when this unsymmetrical here alkene adding with the ozone in presence of the ether, we get the ozonide. This is the ozonide. So ozonide, and further ozonide warm with the zinc metal in presence of water. So this decompose into the carbonyl compound, mixture of aldehyde and ketone here obtained. So three conditions in case of the alkene. We get to at first the only aldehyde, only ketone, okay, and the mixture of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, so only ketone again. Suppose CH3C double bond CH3 and CH3. This. So 2 dimethyl butene, butene is treated with the ozone in presence of the ether. Get what? CH3. This ozonide is formed. CH3. This type of ozonide is formed, and again here the Y-shaped cleavage here takes place. Okay, Zn plus water, giving the two molecules of the ketone. Here CH3, C double bond O, CH3, one molecule. Other again CH3, C double bond O and CH3 plus hydrogen peroxide. This is the what? Propanone. Again propanone means two molecules of the ketone. Carbonyl compound, only ketone can be obtained. Okay. So this way we can write the addition of the ozone to the alkene. Okay. These are the reaction of ozonolysis of alkene. Okay. Now with the alkyne means the hydrocarbon having the multiple bond like triple bond. So with triple bond here also ozonolysis takes place. In case of alkyne, in case of alkynes, addition of the ozone to give the diketone. Addition of ozone to give diketone. R C triple bond C R prime O3 alkyne ozone CCl4, then ozonide is formed. So this type of ozonide is formed. Okay. Now this ozonide decompose into diketone. Zn, water on heating, here this type of bonding here shifted, we get the R prime plus hydrogen peroxide diketone. Okay, now alkyne like ethine, C triple bond H, ethine, then ozone CCl4 giving the ozonide CH. On heating, Zn metal and water, the product is the diketone. Yes, this type of product, and hydrogen peroxide, this is the glyoxal or ethane 1,2-diol. This is the product. So when the ethine treated with the ozone in presence of the inert solvent CCl4 to give the ozonide, this is the ozonide. This ozonide further decompose on heating with the zinc metal to give the glyoxal ethane 1,2-diol. Okay, if our alkyne is the another, then what will be the product? Okay, now we can see in the next example. Okay, if the alkyne like this, CH3, C triple bond C, CH3, so but 2 and 3 CCl4, then ozonide is the CH3 C CH3. Okay, ozonide which further decompose on heating to give the diketone. So this type of bonding here takes place. CH3 C double bond O, again C double bond O, and CH3 plus hydrogen peroxide. This is the what? Butane, Bu plus N, butane, 2, 3 di and 2 carbonyl group, so dione. Okay, so this is the diketone. Butane 2,3 dione. So this is the addition of ozone to the alkynes. Okay guys, so ozonolysis reaction. So ozonolysis reaction is used for the preparation of aldehyde and ketones. So in the carbonyl compound, we can get the carbonyl compounds. So one of the use of the ozonolysis reaction. Now another, so during the ozonolysis, we can determine the where is the multiple bond, either double bond or triple bond. In case of the alkene or alkyne, where is located in the molecules. Okay, where is multiple bond located in the molecules. So these are the reaction of ozonolysis reaction. So thanks for watching this video. Okay guys, please like, share to your friends. Thank you so much.